Hello, it's Randall Shirley here at JTech today, and today I'm going to be talking about fuel pressure and then fuel injector testing. I'm going to show you how to test resistance on the injectors. I'm going to show you what it looks like whenever an injector is being used with a injector tester. And then we're going to have a fuel pressure gauge to test the fuel pressure while we're doing the injector testing to see how much PSI the injector is dropping, to see if it's dumping too much fuel or not enough fuel. We're also going to do key on engine on, which is with the vehicle not running, and we're going to do the actual fuel pressure test like that. We're also going to have it key on engine on, which we're just going to have idle there, and we're going to see if there's any difference in the pressure of the fuel. And then we are going to bring the vehicle up to about 2,000 RPM, and we're going to see if there's any difference in the fuel pressure then, or see if it stays the same, see if it goes down, up, just to see how the fuel system's doing. Alright, so what we're doing here is a fuel injector test. What I did is I came in here on injector number 3, unhooked the harness and hooked the injector tester up to it, have it hooked up over here to my battery for power, and then we have my fuel pressure gauge, which you have it connected back here. And what you want to do before doing this test is make sure that you have it primed and that it's showing actual pressure on this, and you're also going to need the screen light to be showing, which means it's ready for a test. And then if you come over here, watch the fuel pressure gauge. Whenever I press the button, you're going to see how much it drops. And this cylinder dropped to 27 psi, so it's almost a 20 psi drop. You have to do this with each injector. The one that drops the most may not be functioning properly, and you might need to replace it. Alright, so now I'm going to check the resistance of the injector number 3. First I got my ohm meter. I'm going to put it on the ohms. See, if it has this OL here, that means it's in an open circuit. If it has 0.0, that means it's what you want to do, I have my injector down here. I have it unhooked from the harness, and then I'm going to go
put it over here.
And I'm going to put the leads down here, make sure that I make contact with it. And the specs for this one is in between 13.8 ohms and 15.2. It looks to be inside of specs, so this is a good injector. Here we're going to test the fuel pressure while it's idle, when it's key on, engine off, which means the car not running, and then at 2,000 RPM. But first, what I want to show you is what you want to do before you ever hook up the fuel pressure gauge. You want to come over here, find the fuel pump relay, and you want to take it out so you can relieve the pressure in the system. If you look here, we have 50 to start out with, 50 psi, and then we'll cut the car on and let it run until it dies out to relieve the pressure. As you can see, it's quickly dropping. Alright, so the engine ran out of fuel, pressure dropped, and then you want to put the relay back in. Then you want to do the key on, engine off to prime it. You see it jumps back up to 50 psi. So the next thing you want to do is have key on, engine running at idle speeds. Alert. Went up to about 55, almost 55. And then you want to raise the RPM to about 2,000. As you see, it's not doing anything. It's actually not moving whatsoever. Staying around the same. And that is how you check the pressure fuel pressure gauge, and that is how you relieve the pressure of off the rail.